In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel GitHub Copilot subscription. So the first thing you want to do is when you open up github.com, of course, you want to sign into your account, and then you want to go to the upper right corner over here, and then you want to click on your profile photo, and from here, click on settings, which is down here. So just click on that, and then from here, over on the left-hand side, it says access. Now under access, the first thing you'll see is billing and plans. Click on that, and then click on the plans and usage. Now, what you have to do is scroll down until you see this GitHub Copilot section over here. And then over here, if you have a subscription, which I currently do not, so you'll see it says active subscription, and then it will say either Copilot Pro Plus or Copilot Pro over here. And then you'll be able to click on Manage Subscription. So click on Manage Subscription drop down on the right. It's going to be somewhere around here. And then from there, you want to click on Cancel Subscription. After you click on that, you'll be able to select to cancel the Copilot Pro Plus or the Copilot Pro subscription, and then you will be able to basically cancel it, and it will stop at the end of your current billing cycle. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.